Welcome back to Zero Fat TV. Think Different. Today, we're diving deep into a fundamental exercise that's often overlooked but holds the key to remarkable shoulder development, the dumbbell shoulder press. If you're tired of the same old shoulder routines and are looking to stand out from the crowd, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore why the dumbbell shoulder press is your secret weapon for sculpting impressive shoulders. Proper form and technique. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of shoulder development, let's start with the basics. Proper form and technique are essential when performing the dumbbell shoulder press. We'll break down the correct posture, hand placement, and range of motion to ensure you're maximizing the benefits while minimizing the risk of injury. Mastering these fundamentals is the first step on your journey to stronger and more defined shoulders. Targeting shoulder muscles. When it comes to shoulder development, precision matters. In this section, we'll delve into the specific shoulder muscles that the dumbbell shoulder press targets. You'll discover how this exercise engages the anterior deltoids, lateral deltoids, and even the triceps. Understanding which muscles are at work during the movement will allow you to tailor your workouts for balanced and targeted development. Progressive overload and variations. To keep your shoulder development on the fast track, we'll introduce you to the concept of progressive overload. This technique is crucial for continual growth. We'll also explore various dumbbell shoulder press variations that you can incorporate into your routine, such as seated versus standing presses and single arm presses. These variations will help you keep your workouts fresh while challenging your muscles in new ways. Conclusion. In summary, the dumbbell shoulder press is your key to unlocking impressive shoulder development. By mastering proper form, targeting specific shoulder muscles, and embracing progressive overload and variations, you'll be well on your way to building stronger, more defined shoulders. So, if you're ready to think differently about your shoulder workouts and stand out from the crowd, be sure to subscribe to Zero Fat TV. Think Different for more fitness insights and innovative training approaches. Thanks for watching.
Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for spending time with Zero Fat TV. More great videos at Zero Fat TV. Think Different. YouTube. If you want to be happy, be Rich Hamilton.